In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an oil pressure switch on a Nissan NV2500. It is located on the bottom of the engine. To remove your connector from your oil pressure switch, push down on the button on the top and pull out on the harness. Put it off to the side. Your oil pressure switch is a 27 millimeter. You can remove it with the ratchet and the socket. Some oil might come out of this, so put a pan underneath to catch all your old oil. Take your new pressure sensor, install it into the side of the pan. Now you can tighten it. That oil pressure switch gets torqued down to 8 foot-pounds. Now you can clean off all the excess oil. And wipe it down. Now reinstall your plug. Wait for the click. After you install your oil pressure sensor, you want to check your oil level. If your oil level is low, you need to fill it up to the manufacturer's specifications. Start your engine, check to see if there's any leaks. If there's no leaks, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.